Hi, my name is Ajay and I've been teaching since 2013. My YouTube channel has 1600 free videos on Excel, VBA, Access Database, Power Query, Power BI, DAX, M-Code, web scraping, and Python. And soon we'll share SQL Server videos as well with you. So dear friends, right now I have an awesome news to share with you. Power BI is a must-learn tool for data analysts, for MIS professionals, and for those professionals who want to create dashboard reports without any programming knowledge. Microsoft Power BI is a #1 business intelligence tool in the market. And even for freshers who are looking for a job in MNC, this is a must-learn tool. Companies are looking for BI developers and offering great salaries. My new Power BI batch is going to begin this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, which will happen online through Skype. And what you are seeing on the live screen is a glimpse of our wonderful training, and it is covering Power BI desktop, DAX language, data modeling, cloud service, basics of Power Query, how to create the BI dashboards, and all amazing BI features, including the new visuals. This all will be covered on the right page, and you will have quizzes, tests also during the training so that we can monitor your progress. You can WhatsApp me or call me at +91 9810375599 to further know about the training details. Thank you.